Today we are looking at some headphones from iDiskk E11A active noise cancelling headphones. I've left this on the box because I wanted to show you how the box comes packaged. I have been using the headphones. Let's take a quick look around the box. We have some information at the back of the box. Inside the box you get a 3.5mm cable. If you want to use the headphones wired with your computer, you can use this cable. We get a type A to type C charge cable. They haven't included an adapter in to charge the headphones. You could just use the adapter you're using to charge your mobile phone. Majority of things are moving to type C now anyway, so you could use that cable as well. You don't have to use this cable. Instruction booklet, it's in different languages. So on your Bluetooth you need to search for iDiskk E11A. This has two noise cancelling modes. I should also mention I am not an audiophile. I'm just going to give you my basic review of my experience with the headphones. At the time of recording, you can pick these headphones up for under £50 and they have surprisingly good build quality for that. If you want to pick these up, I will leave a link in the description box below. If you find the video helpful, leave a like and please subscribe to watch more reviews. These headphones weigh 220 grams, breathable protein leather and memory foam ear cups. There's decent amount of padding at the top as well. If you've got little to no hair, it won't cause you any pain. Decent amount of stretch. The left ear cup, we have some branding there. All the controls on the right ear cup. 3.5mm jack, USB-C charging port. Headphones take around 4 hours to charge and they'll give you 60 hours of playtime without any ANC. With ANC, you get between 35 to 40 hours. But in my experience, it depends on how loud you are listening. Indicator light for noise cancelling button. We get two ANC modes, a transparency mode if you want to hear what's going on around you, like if you're in a coffee shop and you've ordered and you want to hear when they call you. Or you get the normal ANC mode. In this mode, the headphones will cancel up to 33 dB sound around you, so you could get lost in your music. Indicator light for the headphones. Volume down, hold it for 2 seconds, you go to next track. Power on off, you can also take a call, end a call from here as well. Volume up, hold it for 2 seconds, you go to previous track. 40mm dynamic drivers, Bluetooth 5.3. If you want to reset the Bluetooth, hold the volume down button for 8 seconds. Dual Bluetooth, meaning you can connect to two devices. To do that, you would need to turn the Bluetooth off on your first device, go over to your second device, connect to iDiskk E11A. You could change over from your phone to your tablet or your TV. Let's talk about Bluetooth first. These headphones have Bluetooth 5.3 as mentioned earlier on. They connect really fast. The Bluetooth has good strong range. When I'm going from room to room, I don't get any disconnections. But then again, most of my walls are made out of plaster. I find the battery life really good on these. Can't give you an exact time because I haven't really done a test. I just use them for a few days and then I just put them on charge. They fit on nice and snug. I find after a few hours, my ears start feeling hot, so I have to remove them. But then again, that's me. For the price, they sound really good. I've listened to different types of music and podcasts. You get clear lyrics, nice bass and treble. If I'm watching a movie, audio video sync is spot on. When I take a call, the other person can hear me, I can hear them clearly. You get minimum sound leakage, and that's only if you're blasting the volume full. If you're listening to them around 70 to 80%, you don't get any sound leakage. And then again, it depends on what you are listening to. Active noise cancelling is very impressive. Honestly, I am surprised at how good active noise cancelling is for the price. I think because they sit so snug, that's the reason active noise cancelling is really good. I was listening to music, my little boy come in the room, and as usual, kids, they jump from one sofa to another. My little boy was jumping from one sofa to another, running around. I turned on ANC, I couldn't hear a thing. All in all, for the price, they are really good. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please leave a like and please subscribe to watch more reviews. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.